We came here back in 2021, did a tour of this development, and since then, this development has really blossomed into a vibrant, beautiful community. The bungalows have since been sold out, but nonetheless, Angela, David, they came out and took advantage of the townhouses that we're featuring today, and they've really fell in love with this community.
Thank you for coming back to the Delpratt family once again, or if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Today we're at the Lakeside View Park and we're about to tour a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse that you see way in the distance. Yeah, that is it. So I said way in the distance because I wanted you to appreciate the land space at the front of these units. That's where the house is, way down the back. We have a long driveway leading up to these townhomes. Today we'll be looking at this specific townhome, which is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath. All right? I want you guys to appreciate this long driveway. Now look at it now. Look at the length of this driveway. Likewise, I want you to look at the space to the side of this unit, to the front. And again, sky's the limit and you should use your imagination. If you got kids and they love to play, you can always make this into a play area where you have your kiddies play area outside with the slides and so forth. If you like to host, this could be another area where you and your friends could sit and hang out. Look at all this talking. I will still don't reach the house yet. So no up and come. Want to give a big thanks to Angela and David. This is their home and we'll be touring it today to give you guys a glimpse into Lakeside View Park Townhouses. All right, let's look at this beautiful home that they've created. Come on. So we see a concrete driveway with the landscaping positioned in the middle, which is wonderful. Then we also have the bricked area, this bricked flat right here before we reach the stairs. 2 stairs walking up, and this is a townhouse, so of course you have your neighbor next door. I love what David has done with the front of this unit, where he has customized it and he has built his planters, and it looks beautiful as is, but he has a lot more work that he says he wants to do with it. So come on in. Well, this is their patio area, and as you can see, it is fitted just the way they like it. When you get your home, this is the time for your personality to come out. This is the time for your needs and your want and your space to just burst out and burst through. And this is Angela and David's space. I can't wait to see what you do with yours, okay? If you are interested in purchasing, remember you need to go down in the description box below, and also the information running along the screen right here. You can give us a call, send us an email. Come on in. As you enter, we are greeted with the stairs on the left to go upstairs, and we follow through to this area, which is an awesome space for you to again utilize and to make it into your own home. It could be a nice little greeting area. It could be another seating area for you to sit down and have tea, which I guess if you're a tea person. It could be your extra study area where you can sit. It could be your homework or your workstation. This is a wonderful area for you just to utilize for whatever reason you may want, right? So we also have the washroom right here. A small glance into the washroom. Pretty decent size, I may say. So it's a really wide washroom, as you can see. And relatively square, I would say, right? Washroom for you, and it's fitted also for all your washing machine and all your needs. We have a half bath right here. Come on in. So in this half bath, you see we have adequate space. You have your elongated toilet. You have your vanity right here with your storage cupboard fitted. Your window right here. for you to get optimum lighting and ventilation from outside. There's a really decent half bath that we have going on right here. And just with a left turn, we have the understair area. Now, David is brilliant. David is awesome because David has gone ahead and has built in shelves for his pantry area and also a little mini storage area underneath the shelf. This would be blank. This is Angela and David's idea for their space. We know some love underneath stairs storage area already, okay? So I loved what David and Angela did with theirs. Can you think of what you would do with yours? Let us know in the comment section below, okay? When you get your unit, what you would do with it. Now we're moving into the living, dining, and kitchen area. This is the living room area. I want you to take a time to look at the furniture. This is a really decent size sofa. It's a good size sofa, and it really helps to bring out the desires of the owner. You want comfortable seating, spacious seating, so you can be entertained. Your entertainment area is right here, everything to meet your needs and your desires. And if you wanted to put your TV up top, it's already fitted with your plugins. And that's always a wonderful thing.
So you have a nice area around here, brings out the space quite nice. Yes.
Two windows that lets in light perfectly.
And breeze as well,
And breeze.
It feels good.
Yes, it's quite windy. And then we have this area right here. And let's just appreciate, I like the space. I'm not cramped at all, am I? So this particular townhouse is 1,285 square feet. So I'm liking the space right here, okay? You have all that space for your dining room, all that space for your living, your entertainment area, whatever idea you have. Some of you have some nice ideas. Whatever idea you have of that space, this is enough space for you. Let us know, right? It's a really big space in there. And then we have our dining area right here. This is a sizable table, and the area is walk around friendly. Tons of space. Your window right here to light this section of the house, and I love sunlight. So when I always say I talk about window, I love sunlight. I'm also love the fact you can ventilate your home. Now in the summer when the place is so hot, having these windows open is a blessing. Okay, I don't know if I can see the breeze blowing through the window. All right. So we leave from the dining area and we come into the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. This is the place where the belly gets fed, okay? We have our cupboard spacing right here. We have our quartz countertop. We have our drawers area. Natural wood cupboards built by the developer. This is all white. Tons of space as well. We have the light coming in from outside as well as the breeze. We have our double sink, we have our modern faucet in the kitchen, quartz countertop, and we have our space in the kitchen that you can maneuver to do whatever you want. David decided to put the stove right here. David and Angela, they placed their stove right here, their refrigerator right here, and they have an extra tea station over this side. And then we have our door to go outside. This also is a really good size kitchen as well when you think of the sheer walk-in space, walk-in room, okay, in the kitchen from over there all the way to over here in the unit. And we have the door that leads to the backyard. There's a small patio area right here, and the backyard is huge as well. The backyard is almost the same size or bigger as the front. So yes, you have all that space to build, expand, to put in your gazebo, to put your jacuzzi, porcelain tiles on the floor, really shiny, easy to wipe off. When it's so shiny and glossy, you kind of rub your broom and get the floor clean.
Canada, where are you gonna come? Where are you guys going to Jamaica? There's so many crime. There's crime everywhere. I said, if I can't live, because I was born in this country, if I can't live in Jamaica and feel at home here, where am I supposed to feel at home?
But crime is relative. It happens
Exactly.
everywhere.
Well,
And I believe
I've been coming
that-
here for over 30 years.
Okay.
Since 1990, I've been coming here.
Okay.
We've been
So-
there since then.
It's
Been
second home to me.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, it's
Nice.
perfect.
And sure, Jamaica
enjoyed
has
it.
its challenges, but there's more positive than negatives.
I think
You
that
have to
you
look at that.
you make your experience into what you want it to be.
Yeah, so true. And I think also too, I think a lot of Jamaicans, they just listen to bits and pieces of news. When I was thinking of coming here and buying this place, I was reading up on Jamaica Information Channel. You know, they've got information on that, following the news, trying to understand what was going on in the economy.
Yeah.
Infrastructure development. I learned a lot from you guys, and I'm thinking, well, you guys live here. You guys could probably live anywhere, move and migrate, and you guys live here and you're building a successful life. So if you guys can do it, then there's a lot of other people that are doing it. So
America has people who are doing very well, but we also have people who are not doing so well. But I think that you make it into what you want it to be.
So true. Yeah.
When you put in the work, you do get the results.
And Nancy, I thought you weren't a movie star.
David is so proud right now.
Oh yeah, my wife's a movie star now.
David's actually from Eastern Canada, New Brunswick.
Yeah.
So we met in Toronto and we got married in 1990 and he came to Jamaica and he fell in love with Jamaica.
Yeah.
He's been here. This is about what?
Well, 10, 15 times.
15 times. And also, it was his drive to actually come and live here and retire here. That's how much he loved.
How do you like
being here?
How do you like the warmth?
Oh, it's hot. It's very, very hot.
It's hot, but
You've got AC and you've got a beach.
there's
so-
a nice waterfall I've been trying to get to just up by, what's that name of that road again? Lawlins or
yeah.
Laughin'? And
And-
there's 3 gorgeous falls up there.
Now we're going up the stairs, and this is a metal railing with your porcelain tiles running up the stairs as well. And we have our window right here at the step when we come all the way up the stairs.
Guys, we actually had a little bit of technical difficulty, so we lost some footage of the bedrooms, but nonetheless, check out these B-rolls, alright? Remember, this is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath unit. Each of the bedrooms have their own ensuite bath, plus their own balcony, which is cool.
Everything's so close.
Yeah, you're close to so
And we have
and entertainment.
Flavor Beach, which is an excellent beach. It's, you can walk a good, what, a mile you would say?
Yeah, up and down that beach.
And the water's nice.
I've been there before, my brother.
You've been there before?
Yeah, my
It's
brother.
very nice.
He's from St. Anne.
Yeah.
So that's I love the fact that they can right off the bat can tell the places that they're enjoying and that is close by, and you don't have to go to any major towns. You can just enjoy the environs. And I love what you said earlier, where you say you can literally, you're so close to everything. It's just 5 minutes down the road.
And I think one of the things I think sometimes when people are thinking about coming back to Jamaica into a gated community is the sense that you're closed off from the people around you. And here we don't. It's a gated community, but it's very small and there's a lot of people around, so we don't feel like we're just cut off.
Alone.
We feel
You
like
feel
we're
like you're
actually
in
part
a
of the
community.
Yes, yeah.
I like that.
Yeah,
I
because
like
it's,
that.
as you can see, it's very small.
Yeah,
and there's
it is.
houses around, and you know, we shop locally. There's a guy just a couple of minutes down the road. He barbecues every Friday night. So
Saturday.
Saturdays, so
Chicken.
we go and we have chicken.
So I get my jerk chicken.
You know, try to feel like we're part of it. We don't try to keep ourselves. So
you guys are enjoying yourself, and I love it.
We do like it. We do
And,
like it.
and David is talking about planting his banana trees.
Oh
Yeah,
yes, I gotta
that's
get my
what-
banana trees planted.
Yes.
Ripe bananas.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't like barbecuing bananas.
You and Carrie would agree. Carrie
Yeah, he
loves
loves
ripe
it.
bananas.
That's his. Yeah.
So
So we're just waiting for the yard to be finished so we can do some planting and
Nice.
banana trees.
And they're gonna
stuff, yeah.
invite us back in a
Yes.
little while because they've got plans for their big backyard.
Yes.
Okay.
So I hope you take some pictures of the.
Yes,
As it is now,
We're,
and,
we're actually going to go outside to show them because persons really love to appreciate the front and the back and around the house to see, you know, what exactly you're getting. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What can I do with it? And you've given a lot of persons ideas as to, you know, what they can do with it because you have put your personal stamp and your personal touches on this property already.
Like when we left, there was no grass at all in the front.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we came back and now it's
That's
getting greener and greener.
Actually, grass that they've planted.
Yeah, oh, the
So
developers
we cut
planted
it
the
before.
grass.
Yeah.
That's
and-
great.
And we're
That's
just
great.
we're looking at it, and there's just little patches here and there. There
But
was
they've
just
started to fill
it
in
just
right
it
now,
just
yeah.
grows. He said just watch it.
Yeah, the Zaza grass, they spread,
Yeah.
so you just want to get the weed out initially.
Yeah.
After that, the weed stays away for the most part.
We
So
had
it just-
a really nice guy that came down and did all our weeding while we were away.
nice.
Yeah.
So it's great that friends of the channel,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Angela and David,
Rest up, sir.
it's really nice meeting you. You know, and
Yes.
again, we thank you for letting us into your home. We appreciate that. So the audience can see
Yes.
what is going on in Jamaica, and a lot of them are they're eager to come back home to Jamaica. So thank you.
Yeah, no,
And
thank you.
Thank you guys too, because I think you guys were a big part of me feeling comfortable buying a place here because you guys were so positive
Wow.
on Jamaica, and that had
Yes.
a big impact because I noticed, like when I'm watching videos on Jamaica, when it's positive, it hardly gets any views, but
True.
if somebody's head gets cut off,
Yes.
a million people is watching it. And we're more than just crime and poverty. And
Right.
so we do appreciate
Yes.
you guys
He's
showing
saying
us
come over.
the
No.
better part of Jamaica.
You're running away from the camera.
So thank you. Thanks
Yeah.
to you guys as well.
Yes.
And
See,
thank you guys.
and-
Yeah, you guys do an amazing job.
And as you get to meet the legends,
Yes, okay, yes.
okay?
Yes.
'Cause that's all I ever heard about for 6 months to a year.
We did a lot of watching your
Oh,
channel
okay.
during COVID too.
Okay,
right?
all
Well, we do thank you guys
Yeah.
for your viewership. It really encourages us as well.
Hold on, baby. Just in case, I take the mic from the camera from you.
Okay.
I'm going over. Yeah.
Well, we do thank you guys for your viewership. You guys have encouraged us. If you guys weren't there, motivating us, saying, hey, I really love it. I really love your
Yes.
content. I really like your content. We wouldn't have been here still making the content for you guys. So thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
well,
too.
thanks for showing up.
Yes. Okay,
All right.
great.
Well, we will definitely be looking at your backyard.
Sure.
And then we'll be giving you leave for the rest of the day to enjoy your space. So thank you again.
You're welcome.
Right?
All right. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And when you're finished, I hope you guys, I want to give you guys, it's not alcohol, but I hope you'll have at least a glass of sparkling grape juice.
Okay.
I have a bottle in the fridge.
Thank you.
It's not opened, and I'm figuring I can't open it. What am I going to do with it? So
Drink yourself
maybe
silly.
this is the occasion, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you guys for having us as well.
All right. So this is the bedroom again, guys. You can
okay.
walk. Yes. This is the bedroom.
We're running away.
Yes.
Wait, Benji.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. We
Thank
almost
you.
forgot.
Thank
yes.
you.
a nice view.
So Miss Angela reminded us about
The
this
patio.
outdoor patio.
Yeah, without that talking, we would have forgotten.
Yes.
So there's also a patio attached to right here. You know, when I open the door, I'm gonna come outside and the breeze start to lick you. Yes. Yes.
And you got a nice view as well.
Nice view.
Wow, look at this. And that's the water feature.
fountain. Yes.
Wow, look at this.
I have a nice
Look at
view
this.
of the community right here.
Yep.
Nice view of the community and the side yard. And again, look at the side
Space.
of
Look
this
at the
yard.
space. This is almost
Magnificent.
This is almost like a crime. Look at
is
look at the amount of space they're giving.
This is almost somebody's lot somewhere in Jamaica.
Yes, right down here, eh? Another house could have fit here.
Yes.
Yes, this is awesome, guys.
Yes.
And yeah, as Kat said earlier, there's a nice mountain view when you come out. All right, and just beyond there is where the beach is. All right, and they're still building. They're doing construction just across the street there. So awesome development. And Miss Angela and David gave us their stamp of approval.
Definitely. So as you can imagine, this room has a lot of areas, a lot of features. This little nook that I'm in right here. This you can note that I'm in right here with the window right here. It's a wonderful conversation area as well for you to put your little your two accent chairs with your little table, or it can be one long, I don't know the name of that furniture that you put right here.
A stool.
Like a nice little couch right here for you to just, you know, hang your foot up and enjoy the space. Have a little sip of tea if you're a tea person, water if you're a healthy person, and a little bit of juice.
Healthy too.
Yeah. He's also healthy.
Yeah.
Right? And then you have this space right here that you can also utilize. Use your imagination. This is a really good size room. And I am so happy that we were able to present this to you. This is the 2-bed, 2.5 bath town unit, 1,285 square feet.
So it's such a wonderful evening after work, chilling out with the guys in the backyard and also the residents. They came down. As you can see, it's a long backyard. It's a huge backyard. And they also have these coconut trees, so you can definitely take advantage of the coconut trees, and also you can view the lake to the back as well.
Look at this. Yeah, that's it. This is for the lady.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want
Thank you.
No straws?
No, sure. No bamboo.
Hold on, I'm going to call it.
Release already.
So how big?
This size.
Okay. Did you eat them? Fry them up?
Catch and release.
The developer was also talking about doing some catch and release with fishes from the lake, so it's awesome.
This is good, man, Angie. It's good.